Let's go through a little bit on how to work this class. It's probably one of the first videos you should watch after you kind of get into everything. But when you come to the home screen every week, you're going to see this. And at the top, every day will be the three most recent announcements. And you'll get one, it's 7 a.m. right now. You'll get one at 9 a.m. on this Sunday morning. So you're going to want to do the getting started. I mean, you get started, it's going to walk you through some of the basics. There's a course overview video, and there's a list of everything that's going to be due this week. You can click on these to go to them. Um, and so that's going to be one of the key features you'll see at the beginning of every week is a list of there's the things you have to do this week. You'll have both a page about it and an announcement about it. And the meat of the course, well, you'll have to go to the syllabus. You have to do get started. You have to do the syllabus. You really should take a look at the syllabus. I review it for you a little bit, but take a look at it anyway to kind of get a sense of everything. And also in the syllabus, you'll find ADA compliance. You'll find Title IX compliance, all the kind of information that you may or may not need. A couple of new things this semester, or one new thing this semester. Over here, if you need tutoring for this course and it's not a question that you can get to me in a timely manner or anything like that, and you can't make it to office hours, we actually have hired a tutoring service for the whole campus this semester. Hopefully they can help you if you can't get hold of me. But you really should try my office hours and our sessions together first because these are not physics people necessarily, and they're going to have to route you to someone that can help you. The meat of the course, of course, is in the modules where we got our course introduction, your overview slides, video and slides. You can read a little bit about me if you care to. On Tuesday at 6, every Tuesday at 6, we have a touching base Zoom meeting. And all you have to do if you want to attend that is come to the modules and click on that. There'll also be announcements about it coming out um, that you'll have to be able to do or want to do. You'll see that I've set things up so that you have to kind of proceed through these things in order. There's a reason for that. These are grayed out because you have to do the discussion first. All right, and once you've submitted your pieces on the discussion, you can do the next piece, order of operations. One of the things we're going to be doing this semester is working with Excel. All right, so this is our intro week, and you already get that feel for, okay, I've got to go through these things in sequence. I'll be using Discord this semester. This is all grayed out because you have to finish this stuff before you can move on to these items. And so you'll see in each week, it's the same thing. There's a page that tells you what we're up to that week. There's a video that goes over the PowerPoint slide for the week. There's a little quiz. Um, on Tuesday, then, there is us touching base at 6 p.m. in addition to my office hours. There's a discussion question. The discussion questions are always in two parts. There is the part where you discuss with others, and then there's a part where you have to give your final answer on that discussion. And then there's the homework problems, and there's a lab. For the labs, I'm putting together kits. There'll be an additional question that gets added to this once I've got the kits together. If you can pick it up, I'd prefer that you come pick it up. But if you can't pick it up on campus, then I'll need a mailing address from you. And if you look the next week, it's the same thing. Here's what we're up to this week. Here's a video talking about what we're up to this week. There's a quiz on that. We touch base. You start into the discussions, the homework, and the lab. Some weeks have more additional stuff at the bottom. These are extra videos from other places. If you want to watch those, you're more than welcome to. We're going to do 2 weeks of content and then a week of exam. And I'm giving you a whole week for the exam for a couple of reasons. One, I don't know your schedule. But two, there's an individual portion to the exam that I really want you guys to work through pretty quickly. As quickly as you can, because then you can get to the group portion. In the group portion of the exam, there's a problem that you're going to have to discuss. And once you're done discussing that, and you actually get one call out to me. So each group will be set up automatically by Canvas First person in the group will be the group leader. That group leader can poll the rest of the class, the rest of the group, to come up with what question do you want to ask me, and you've got to get to that question to me by early Saturday morning. I'll get an answer out, and then that that will help you. And you got to understand the group part. That's just you participating and trying to figure out how to do it. Once you're done with that, and once you've gotten your question out to me, you need to move on to the, oh, I need to actually solve the problem that we've been talking about. And you'll find one of the things you're going to find is all of you will have different numbers. So you have to actually work through it on your own. Let's see. So this is the basics. A couple of other things that you need to know. On these, you get 2 attempts. On the quizzes, the topic quizzes, you get 2 attempts. On the homework problems, you get 5 attempts. And I keep your best. I don't, I'm really after have you gotten that, right? The labs, there will be some times when you probably need to use kind of household items to get the labs done. I'm going to try and get those kits out to you as quickly as possible, but I'm also designing the kits so that if you are somewhere where I can't get you a lab kit, you should be able to get hold of everything you need to do the labs with. And that's it for this short little how to go through this course. Um, and once you get through the first test, it's the same thing going through materials to get to the second test. All right, good luck with this class. I look forward to working with all of you, and I hope you have a really great semester.